ATTEN Vietnam Bắc Ninh Showroom. ST series soldering stations. Soldering ports. Thermal heat wire strappers. Soldering accessories. Preheaters, hot air stations, four-in-one, three-in-one, two-in-one hot air reverse stations, ionizer and preheaters. Here will be some product patents and company certificates. High frequency soldering stations. Fuel extractors, 2 channel, 1 channel. And this will have the 4-axis automatic soldering robots and GT series soldering stations, 2 channel and 300-watt high power. Future, we will have single-axe soldering machine and preheater. Welcome to visit our showroom.